Hey everyone, Keith here, Arb King. I'm pretty excited about this little, deal that I added to my Dmm Kinisi Max. I've been in this industry for quite a long time, and I used to climb on a harness that had a Bosun seat, and I really enjoyed it. And over the years, Bosun seats became less, familiar or not as popular. And I've tried newer versions over the years and never really found one that I liked. I've been in the Kinisi Max since it came out, and since then I've made little tweaks. I've added things, taken things off, adjusted it here and there to try and really get it where I want it for the majority of the type of climbing and training that I do. Recently though, I added a Bosun seat strap to it. So underneath, back pad, leg pads, and you see a red strap right here. So what this is just a red endless loop that I ended up cutting. I have some generic dog leash snaps on here that were the same width as the webbing that I had on both sides. Took a little plastic grommet to make it adjustable. And I used some Kydex, which is, if you're unfamiliar with Kydex, it's a thermoplastic it's thermoplastic, I guess. It's thermoplastic, so what it means is you can heat it up and you can mold it in shapes. So I cut strips out of it, and then I dremeled little slots into it and heated it up and bent it to shape. I undid the flat webbing behind the Kinisi, and then I threaded those 4 Kydex little guards or holders on, and then I threaded the webbing through. Because this back pad is so long, I know that it looks like this red strap wouldn't really be on my butt, but I tell you what, it fits amazing. It's very, very supportive. I'm still dialing in the length, so once I get the length once I get the length where I want it, I'll go ahead and shorten it up. But essentially, it's a Bosun seat strap underneath the back pad and between the legs on the Kinisi Max. So when you're sitting in it and you're suspended from your bridge, it's unbelievably comfortable. So I think this is something that a lot of people are going to find useful. It's really effective. It'd be a great accessory if DMM adds it as an add-on accessory down the road, because I think this thing it's killer. It's very, very comfortable. Anyways, I just want to share that with you guys. Thanks.